What if the Yongle Emperor hadn't executed 2,800 palace servants in 1421? In reality, paranoia consumed the Ming ruler after suspecting a conspiracy among his concubines. He ordered mass executions, filling the Forbidden City with terror and blood. But imagine if cooler heads had prevailed instead. Without this brutal purge, the imperial court would have retained diverse voices and experienced advisors. Fear-based governance would have given way to more collaborative decision-making. The emperor's famous treasure fleets, led by Admiral Zheng He, might have continued their voyages. Instead of turning inward after the 7th expedition, China could have maintained its maritime dominance. With a stable court and encouraging exploration, Chinese ships might have reached Europe before Columbus sailed west. The Ming dynasty's isolationist policies may never have taken hold. China could have remained the world's dominant and naval power for centuries. One moment of restraint might have prevented China's retreat from global leadership. A single decision could have changed the entire course of world history.